My name is Barton Morris. I'm a practicing attorney in the city of Royal Oak. I've been practicing criminal law for 20 years. Today, I'm going to discuss the legality of being in possession of a controlled substance in a bottle that is not the same as the one in which it was received. So what I'm talking about is somebody getting a controlled substance, a prescription controlled substance from a pharmacy. And as we're all familiar with, it's a prescription bottle that identifies the quantity and the type of medication that is contained therein. Well, some people like to take that medication and put it in other types of bottles that don't describe the type of medication that it's in. And there seems to be some confusion about whether that's legal or not. That confusion oftentimes is a police officer who may encounter a controlled substance that's not in its original bottle, which then it doesn't identify to whom it's been described, the quantity, and even the type of pill that it is. And these police officers sometimes will then presume that it's unlawful because it's not in that same pill bottle, and then take actions that are detrimental to those that perhaps may be in possession of those controlled substances. For instance, recently, there was a scenario that I had in my office where somebody was pulled over. A police officer pulled this individual over for running a red light, and then while she was getting her driver's license out of her purse, the police officer noticed a pill bottle in her purse and asked to look at it. Well, she provided the pill bottle to him, and he noticed that there wasn't any identifying information on the pill bottle that described the type of medication that was contained therein. He asked her, well, what type of medication is in here? And she told them that it was hydrocodone or Vicodin. Well, the police officer then, thinking that it should have been in a pill bottle in which that it was received from her pharmacy, then used that as a basis to arrest her and even more importantly, seize her motor vehicle. As many people may know, by being in possession of a controlled substance illegally while in a motor vehicle, that can form the basis of a seizure of the vehicle, meaning a forfeiture of the vehicle. The police can literally forfeit that vehicle for transporting unlawful controlled substances. But the question is whether the controlled substance was actually unlawful, whether the fact that the controlled substance, the Vicodin, was in a bottle that wasn't in its original packaging is unlawful. The fact of the matter is, and what I'm saying this video for, is that it's not. It is not unlawful to be in possession of a controlled substance in packaging that was not in its original dispensed form. It is not, there's no law that says that people can't do that. I think that a lot of people will envision their grandmother or an elderly individual that is in possession of pills in a pill bottle that helps them identify which day of the week they should be taking this medication. There's nothing illegal about that. In fact, I'm sure that a lot of people have seen that before, have never thought to themselves, well, that's illegal, because it's not illegal. There's no law that says that. There are laws that say that the dispensary or the place where the pharmacy, they can't distribute any controlled substance that aren't properly labeled in the proper packaging, but there's nothing that says that the consumer, the individual who purchased and or is prescribed the controlled substances is unlawful by putting them in another container. So where does that leave us really? Does that really mean that then people should be free to put their drugs in other containers? The answer is yes. But the other question is, should they, right? Because if it is a particular controlled substance that is commonly referred to as something that is like an opiate or something that is commonly abused, where police officers or law enforcement or even physicians or anybody would cause to believe that it's being abused and cause them to take action towards the individual, perhaps it's not a good idea to switch that pill bottle and to put it, just to keep it in the prescription bottle. But it's not against the law to do so. So that's what I wanted to explain on today's video. We're going to do other videos explaining other points of the law that I think that people just need to know. That's what I'm doing today, is providing you information that you need to know. My name is Barton Morris. I'm an attorney at the Cannabis Legal Group and the law office of Barton Morris. I can be reached at my website, michigancriminalattorney.com, or you can send me an email with any more follow-up questions at barton The email address is barton@bartonmorris.com. Thank you very much.